right, we're here on Royal Caribbean Mariner of the Seas. First port of call this voyage is Curacao. And they have not been to Curacao for several months. They were in dry dock, they were doing some shorter cruises, and this time they decided they're back to the 6 and 8 night cruises out of Port Canaveral. So first stop on this voyage is Curaçao, and we're going to take a walk to the Queen Juliana Bridge in Curaçao. It's the bridge that swings open to let ships and boats go through. You can actually walk on the bridge and stay on the bridge as the bridge floats around and swings around. It's a floating bridge, and that's the iconic scene where all the colorful buildings are, and I believe it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. So we got off the ship. It's just a quick walk back in there. You basically take a quick right, follow along the waterfront. There's a brand new Jimmy Buffett's bar called it's 5 o'clock somewhere bar, and so you make your way to the right, and this is where we are now. There's an old fort, as you can see back here, and in there are shops, restaurants, bars. So we're going to take a walk through there and on our way to the Queen Juliana Bridge. All right, so we'll be back in a minute. All right, so this is the Riff Fort, as you can see, in Curaçao, established 1828. So this is the little fort area that they have now made into bars, restaurants, shops. I'm going to walk through here, and this is how you get to the Queen Juliana Bridge. But you can see it's an actual old fort, renovated, and you got bars, restaurants, shops. You even have a Harley Davidson. But you can see here what the inside of the fort looks like. Doesn't look much like a fort, but you can see some of the old rocks. There's a pancake house. That's been there a while. The Pancake Sensation. Interesting. Get some Dutch pancakes. We're gonna go to Amsterdam in July and get some Dutch pancakes. But Curacao is part of the Dutch Antilles. Languages spoken here. There's a few of them. German, English, Dutch, and you can see it's 2 or 3 stories. Some of the shops up there not open, some closed. There are restrooms over here, and then you can see here the backside of the fort. It's part of the historical walking tour. There's 2 sides of Willemstad, the Punda and Outra Banda, and it is indeed a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It's separated into those 2 sections, and you can walk up there if you want a view. And here's the exit. You walk along the waterfront, make your way to the bridge. Let's go up there and get the view. All right, we made our way to the top of the stairs, and you can see these are little windows, and that's what it looks like on the other side. There's a big yacht came through there. The bridge totally open for that. We're up here on the top. This is where we were a minute ago. Down there. And there's the stairs that come up. So this is the Riff Fort, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Let's make our way down the stairs and head over to the Queen Juliana Bridge. We make our way down the steps. Just wanted to bring you the little rifle holes you can see as you're coming up the steps. There's little places here for guess, the guards to stick their rifles through and shoot the invaders. You can see they're all up and down the steps, part of the Rift Fort. All right, let's make our way down. Let's go over here to the sign just to give you some more information. Built in 1828. And of course, it was protecting the Otra Banda. Punta is on the other side. This side is Otra Banda. All right, let's head to the bridge. All right, we are down here in the area along the water. We passed through the fort. This is a little area where there's artisan vendors, some t-shirts, artists, and you see the other side is the Punta. I see my friend's ice cream or Italian ices cart. A red umbrella right over there in the center. The bridge is open. So right now it's not able to walk along the bridge. So we're gonna check it out down here and see what's going on. I know a big yacht was coming through there earlier, but let's just see. So there is the other side. It's the Punta side. Got a musician down here playing. All right, we'll be back. All right, so the bridge is closed or open, or whatever you want to call it. Can't get on the bridge due to some malfunction, so we have to take a ferry. So there's a long line of people to get on this ferry. It supposedly holds 120 people. So let's see if we get on the ferry. If we can't get on this one, then we may have to head back. But anyway, we walked 0.7 miles up to this point to get here. So if you really want to walk to the bridge, it's about a half a mile walk, and then you walk across. This is the first time I've ever been here where the bridge wasn't operating. It was stuck open. So let's see if we can get on the ferry. There's a lot of people in front of me. We'll see what happens. Well, I was not able to get on the ferry because I have to get back to the ship. I don't have a lot of time. So the bridge is not operational today. It's going to be stuck in this, I guess, open position. So I'm going to head back to the ship. But this is a sort of a square that they will have street performers and little things going on here. And this is the bridge. Normally it would open and close as boat traffic is needed to get by. Can't get to the other side only by ferry. The ferry is free, but I have limited time. I have to get back to the ship and do some work. And so that's about as close as we're going to get to the Punta side. My friends are over there with their Italian ice cart. Hey, wait a minute. What's going on here? The bridge is moving. Are they going to open this bridge?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Looks like they got the bridge unstuck. Wow. The other guy told me it was going to be closed all day. One guy who's standing there in that white shirt. So we'll see. Maybe they're testing it. Maybe they're testing it. So the bridge is swinging around. Maybe it will be open. Okay, let's see. You can see at the far end there is a engine, got a generator that powers it, and they're swinging the bridge around to open it or close it, whatever, I don't know, to let us walk across. Maybe it will be open. All the people are coming back from the ferry. Interesting, the bridge is going to open. All right, so we'll see you on the bridge. All right, We actually made it on the bridge. The bridge ended up opening for pedestrian traffic after all, as you saw just a minute ago. It was swinging around. So you can see everyone is off to the races. We are going to the Punta side of the bridge. And I think that's the Queen Juliana Bridge. This is the Queen Emma Bridge, so I stand corrected. This is the Queen Emma Bridge. And I'll show you where we came from. There's the Riff Fort over there. And there's the cruise ship, Mariner of the Seas. All right, let's go see our friends and get the authentic Philly-style Italian ices. You can mix and match flavors. I don't know what flavors they'll have today. Last time I got like a coconut and a mango put together. It is windy, so hopefully my microphone is holding up very well. And the bridge just opened up. That's why there's so many people all at once. But let's see if I can see them. I see the red umbrella. So they're over there. I was just about heading back to the ship. So there is the Punta side, as you can see. All right, next stop, the Italian Ice Cart, Caribbean Breeze. We are over here on the Punta side. There is Bridget and Dave. There they are. There she is. There he is, making the flavors.
They're all going to be crystal clear.
Caribbean Breeze Italian Ice. My favorite, Porto Marie.
Porto Marie.
Porto
Take a
Marie,
taxi. How far?
Yeah, I made it. The bridge wasn't cooperating. I almost headed back.
That's what I hear.
Is it a taxi ride to take out there?
Yes.
Porto Marie.
You can go back by it's about a 30-minute ride.
You can do Kokomo as well. Also another nice beach.
Kokomo's been really good right now.
Playa Porto Marie has the pig.
Oh, really?
That's the
Oh,
pig beach.
swim with the pigs?
No, not swimming with the pigs. There's pigs there.
Oh, okay.
That's the best place because it's got a nice restaurant and
That's what
nice
we're looking
facilities,
for.
and it's got a cat that lives there, a calico cat.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
And where's this at?
Playa Porto Marie.
Playa Porto
Bridget knows that's good.
Yeah.
We talked about that last time.
Yes.
Okay.
Just get a taxi by the entrance to the cruise port
Yeah.
and tell them you want a round trip, and you pay them when they pick you up.
Oh, okay. That's good to know.
I think it was like $25 a person.
That's not bad. For a round trip.
Yeah, but correct me if I'm wrong, but it was something like that. It's a
Porto
30-minute.
And what was the other one?
That's the best one. Don't even bother. Yeah.
Because Mambo Beach is all
No,
touristy.
no.
Watermelon.
Oh, thank you.
Thank
so
you
much.
guys.
Thank you.
So half watermelon, half cherry.
All right.
Welcome back. Thank
Yay.
you so much.
Yeah.
Quite a few of your recommendations.
Good.
today.
Yay. It's the Caribbean Breeze. Italian Ice.
Glad to see you again.
Authentic Philly. Wow, he's almost
these-
out.
These guys
Yeah,
came from
watermelon
all the way from
also.
Tennessee.
Tennessee. All right.
Every year.
10 years.
What is today's flavors?
We have cherry, watermelon, and chocolate.
Oh, I got to have chocolate.
I don't think we had chocolate when we were
No,
here last.
no, you
we
didn't.
started
Added
chocolate
that
over
flavor.
the summer.
Yeah, I love
Exactly.
chocolate. But anyway, these people are probably before me, so.
And we'll take care of you. Young lady. Yeah, okay.
That's how it's
Everyone
made.
loves their.
Okay,
How is it?
There we go.
Great, excellent.
Yes.
Nice. I got it. Perfect. Thank
All right.
you.
So there is the Caribbean Breeze Italian Ice here on the Punta side in Curacao.
Cherry, watermelon.
Only $3 a cup.
Welcome.
It's refreshing and it's hot, so it's always good. Bite you.
Yes,
Maybe
please.
next year they always say.
All right, we made it to the Caribbean Breeze Italian Ices, and they have chocolate today. Oh my gosh. It is really good. It's really good. I love the pina colada and mango that I had before, but this time they have chocolate and it's more
All right,
decadent.
doesn't
And,
really look like it, but we call that a
It's dairy
Curacao
free.
rainbow.
and it's dairy free.
Thanks, guys. Have a great day.
It's Caribbean Breeze Italian Ice. Here in Curacao, come visit them. Only $3 a cup. By the time you walk across the bridge, you're hot, and these are so refreshing. So it's very good. All right, we are heading back to the ship. We're back on the bridge. They just started the engines on this bridge. That means they're going to turn the bridge open. There's a boat coming. It's down there. That might be the ferry. Let's see what's on the other side. Nothing. So I don't know. Maybe they're going to open this bridge again. So I scurried onto it before it opened and I couldn't get on it because I do need to get back. But this is the Queen Emma Bridge. As I mentioned before, that's the Princess Juliana Bridge. And there's the ship and the Riff Fort, and that's where we're going to be heading. So this is the floating bridge. In Curacao, we're going to the Otra Banda side. Okay, we'll come back here when we get closer to the ship. All right, we're back over here alongside the pier in Curacao, making our way back just the same way we came. This is part of a historical walking tour. People from all over, 40 different nationalities came here to Curacao. 80% of Dutch Caribbean origin. They came from all over Africa, Europe, South America, Caribbean, Asia, Middle East. Most of them are Dutch citizens. The other nationalities come from all other nations on the American continent, many from Europe, the Middle East, Africa, Asia, Australia. It's amazing. Quite a melting pot. Here in Curacao, and there is the Mariner of the Seas, returning to my home for the next couple of weeks. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you like this. Give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe for this and many more cruise ship videos, live and replays. Thanks everyone. Peace out.